Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT X30, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you want to open up the standalone contacts app right over here. Let's sign in and tap on the three dots or three bars and go to settings, where you should see option to import. Select it, choose that you want to import from SIM card, confirm it, and from here you will see all the contacts that are on that SIM card, and if they are not repeating, they will all be selected. So if you don't want all of them, you can deselect certain ones that you might not want, and simply once you have everyone that you want selected, click on the check mark. It will give you that, well, X amount of SIM contacts imported, and if you go back, they should be visible right in here. So that is how you would import contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.